Guys, I'm back in EASTLEIGH with Afro-Sam.
Nigga never die.
So guys, watch the video till the end and make sure you share.
Yeah, so for Team Afro-Sam, just subscribe, like the video, share, comment.
Show some love to Sam,
I
Afro-Sam.
appreciate. Take her to 10K subscribers, by the way. She's doing a lot, she's taking risks. And she's the only one doing whatever I've seen, man. No girls are doing this.
Yeah.
But she's very strong. Please support her. So are we going like right? We're going to this side, right?
This side, yeah.
There's a this guy who was doing about
Hi. How are you? People from EASTLEIGH are very social. Napeleka moja kwa moja kwa Claudia Walks. Yes.
You tell them the channel name. Maybe they'll search it.
So, go to my YouTube channel. I'm a Kenyan content creator. I do street vlogs. So, make sure you go check me out. Subscribe.
Channel name.
And we have, I have my colleague here, Afro-Sam. Make sure you check him out. Yeah, from Uganda.
Jina channel
Claudia Walks. Na Afro-Sam TV.
subscribe yangu DJ Sam in Kenya.
Okay, sawa.
I'm a Music Planet.
US.
US? Guys, check his YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Naitwa DJ Sam in Kenya. Enda hapo subscribe na like, enjoy mixes kali na ucomment hapo. Fiti.
Search hapo. Continue.
DJ Samil. Sawa. So guys, remember in the other video I had a bad experience about EASTLEIGH, but this road, guys, hey, I'm getting some love. So this road, I'm getting some love, and let me show you. This is what Somalis are doing in Kenya. They are doing amazing work. We have the biggest mall here in EASTLEIGH, which is BBS Mall. Look at the view, it's so good. So good. Yeah. Unataka? Oh, sijakuweka. Sorry.
Hey, this place looks nice.
Very nice.
I was thinking we walk that side so that we can focus.
Capture this area.
Yeah, I don't be careful with
Camera.
no motorbike.
Motorbike.
They are the ones who grab.
Look at this beautiful
I
bus,
want
guys.
Cross and then you can maybe show that side. So wait. After that car we are crossing.
Okay.
We go.
Wait.
We go. Guys, she's afraid to cross the road.
Guys,
She's afraid to cross.
I have to be careful.
Here in Kenya, you should have known the rules, right? Like how to cross, and maybe also not be afraid of the crowd. She's taking 3 minutes to cross a road. But you have to learn. Me, I
Yes,
don't
guys,
wait for
I'm still
cars.
learning.
I don't wait for cars. I just go.
Really?
But I first calculate the distance because you can wait forever. Imagine in a place with a lot of vehicles, you know. So with a lot of vehicles, you can't maybe like sit and queue from there, how long will you wait?
But I'm still learning.
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright. How's that? But yeah, I was just like saying, if you get right now, the Muslim community, I will go there and stream live, by the way.
Guys, this is BBS Mall,
Yeah.
the biggest mall in East and Central Africa.
Did you enter there?
Me, just one, but the security there is tight. They are not allowing people to film from inside.
Oh.
Yeah,
But it's okay. I feel like they want to maintain order.
yeah.
They don't want incidences. So wherever you go, you learn the rules and don't break them. Make sure you stick to their rules and you are just done. You will not fall in trouble with anyone.
So guys,
I enjoy this league.
so
But I
guys,
feel like I'm in
yeah.
Mogadishu.
I hope you have enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. So guys, this is the end of our video.
Yeah, thank you for watching. This is AfroSam, and if you're from AfroSam TV, please subscribe to Claudia Walks, and one day I'll take her to Uganda. So you guys don't forget, the episodes are coming soon.
Yeah.
But for now, please support her. Thank you.
Bye.
So we are crossing.
You were always overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop tying yourself into way too many knots. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Settle down, just take a breath, and your worried thoughts will slowly fade away. Live in the moment, don't look back. Allow your heart to run free and you'll stay on track. Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Just relax and feel the flow. It's time for you to let it all go.